Okay, class, this is the video that I was talking about, and we were able to finish last time up to this point on the PowerPoint presentation. So we will be moving forward from this point onwards. But before I move on to the next slide, let me just give a quick feedback on how we did on the transition from the sitting arrangement to the circles in groups. We were able to form the circles. However, there was quite a chaos and unnecessary noises. So please make sure that we will not do the same on the actual demo teaching. Thank you very much. And moving on to the next slide, let me just exit this. It says here, what other things can you apply the fundamental accounting principles on? Okay, this question is just a thought-provoking question asking you, can you come up with your own um, situations wherein you will need to apply the fundamental accounting principles? You can also share that to your group and to me so we can use it on the actual teaching. Okay, counting the number of occurrences of events is widely being used. You can see it in counting the number of lock combinations, just like what we had in a previous example, possible passwords, and even daily activities such as knowing how many possible routes you can take to a place and estimating how many food and drink combination you can serve to your family given limited choices. For example, if you only have chicken, doesn't mean that you will have to eat fried chicken for many days. If you have different spices, you can make that fried chicken, tinola, afritada, and many other dishes. Furthermore, we will see in future lessons that this is a very crucial lesson to learn to calculate the probability of certain events. Let me just reiterate that. This is going to be very important on the topic that we will be having on the actual demo teaching. So make sure that you master the fundamental counting principle before we even get there. So to summarize this PowerPoint presentation or this discussion, I want you to fill in the blanks. And since this is just a video presentation, I will be pausing for a short moment so you can think of the answer and check once I reveal it. You can also pause the video so you can take more time to think what should be in the blanks. Number one, the blank is a tool used to arrange data in rows and columns. The answer is table. Number two, the blank states that if an event can occur in m different ways and another event can occur in n different ways, then the total number of occurrences of the events is m times n. The answer is fundamental counting principle. Number three, a blank is a special type of graph which uses branches to determine the outcomes of an experiment. The answer is tree diagram. Number four, the blank is a method on which the outcomes are listed in an organized way to make sure that no possible outcome is missed. The answer is systematic listing. If you were able to fill in the blanks correctly, then congratulations. That means that you can distinguish the tools and methods that we talked about yesterday properly. Now let's have the seat work. Now, since this is a video presentation, um, I will just be waiting for your answers until Monday. Okay, so I'll be getting your answers on a 1/4 sheet of paper on Monday. Okay, so this is like a take-home seat work, but I don't know if I will be able to make this available for other sections as well. Since you are on a rush or in a rush because of the demo teaching, I will have to do this with you, but with them, I'm not sure. Okay, so number one, different ways to answer three questions with four choices each. Number two, a 5-character password using vowels. Number three, choosing top three candidates from 20 without a tie. I did not put that there, but most of the time, if we are choosing top candidates, it's just one for each rank, right? So without a tie for number three. Now, for your assignment, I want you to find the number of occurrences in the following. Number one, three-letter combination using the English alphabet. Number two, a men's department store sells three different suit jackets, six different shirts, eight different ties, and four different pairs of pants. How many different suits consisting of a jacket, shirt, tie, and pants are possible? Number three, a single die is rolled. How many ways can you roll a number less than three, then an even, and then an odd? Okay, class, that will be your assignment, and I'll be waiting for your assignments. I want you to write it on your notebook, and I'll be checking it before the periodic exam. And the periodic exam schedule was tentatively set on March 20 and 21, but I'm not sure if that will push through despite of all the class cancellations. So we will be waiting for an update. But for now, just a general rule, I'll be getting your notebooks to check this assignment before the actual periodic exam. So thank you very much for listening, and I'll be waiting for your seat work on Monday and your assignment on the day before the periodic exam. Bye.